contributions that he's done for us black people in South Africa since apartheid days. But let's go to this picture of Dr. Ndlozi and the comments. A lot of people are saying Ndlozi is too smart to join MKP. Other people are saying MK is for dumb cops. Why would Ndlozi join them? They're lying. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, where do these people come from? Laba bantu abafila so entitled to just say whatever they want to say about people, and then claim ukuthi the very same people that they are saying these things about are dumb people. Like, I don't get it. Like, where do you get the audacity? Where? Niyahlekisa kwangempela, but like, I don't get you at all. Yeah, I don't get you. Kodwa ke, just something for you to think about. Have you ever noticed how a lot of MKP members and followers seem to just have a better understanding of politics in South Africa? Like these people that say abantu be MK badom and whatnot, like these very same people are the same people who will argue with the statements that they always hear on the media and not bring in anything that you can see would say this is their analysis, this is their fresh analysis on what has happened, and this is their take. They always bring in lama arguments as ofana nokuthi be comment bethi Zuma for Guptas, or Zuma made Guptas rich, or yabona, these stupid comments that you can't even but like it's fine. I don't ever wish for Dr. Ndlozi to join MKP because like he disrespected Zuma kakhulu, and like I doubt he has anything to offer MKP. For as much as I see him and his contributions to the EFF, it's very like it's like these people aba rescue ayo and then beme ngaphandle and just spray water on the building. Le building jalo inama window ivalekile. It's a very closed building, and then they're just spraying water on the outside while everything is burning on the inside. Like they didn't even save anything from the inside, but they're just busy spraying water. It's like Ndlozi, he'll just go there and say things that are really irrelevant, like things that don't make much of a difference, and then people say, yes, Ndlozi is so smart. Like, nah, bro, chill. Ndlozi is just what can I call this, a more educated version of Umalema. So like, chill. Yeah.